In this video, I want to show you how to remove and clean the energy cord that attached from one person to another person. When people interact, some people grow energy cords, and these cords, they grow from the below the belt area of one person to the below of the belt area to another person. If you have a cord attached to a person, you keep losing your energy 24/7, even when you sleep. So how to know that you have a cord? I give you a test. Just imagine a person or a situation. The situation may happen in the past or maybe just quite recently. But when you think about a person or about a situation, you feel uncomfortable. Maybe you feel angry, maybe you feel jealous, resentful, maybe you feel demeaned or controlled or just sad, simply like depressed or anxious. So all these are the criteria that you have an energy cord attached to this person. This cord causes you to lose energy and create illnesses eventually, so you need to remove this energy cord to keep your energy clean. And when you cut the cord, it doesn't mean that you cut them out of your life, but you cut the attachments that causing you so much energetic losses and problems. Okay, so how to do that? First of all, I want to make sure that you have a candle, because when we do cord cleansing, you need to throw energy into the fire and burn it. So usually cord grows from the below the belt area, so it's somewhere from the lower belly region to the lower belly region to another person. So this is where I will be doing my energy work. First, you need to prepare your hands. Put your hands together, close your eyes, and rub your hands until they become warm. Now spread them apart. Try to bring them together until you feel resistance or tingling sensations. Now I feel that I want to bring my hands closer together, but I can't. I feel this resistance, or like tingling sensations in my hands become so strong. When I feel tingling sensations in my hands, it means I feel my subtle body energy. And this is what you need to do first. Before you sense other people's energy, you feel your own. Okay, so I really feel it now. My hands tingly so much. It means they are ready to do energy work on another person. So now I am using my dominant hand, and I am right-handed. And use my left hand as an antenna, like that. And now I try to find the aura that comes from the lower belly area of the person who I'm working with. So the cord normally grows from pelvis. So I can close my eyes. It helps me to go within and try to find the aura that comes from his belly, lower belly. And I try to find the end of the aura. Here I feel it. I really feel it, the end. And I test it. You do testing by pushing and pulling the aura. Okay, it means I found, if I can pull the aura, it means this is the end of the aura. Okay, and now you can do scanning. Before you find the cord, you do scanning around the belly, like that. So scanning means you just follow along the end of the aura and try to find the cord. So here it is, I really feel the cord, and you feel cord. It's like the energy like moving out and get in your hands getting sucked in, so moved out. So you feel a current maybe push your hand out, and then the energy being sucked in. So this is how cord function. The person try to get energy from another person, and then the other person trying to drag energy from this person. So what you feel, it's like vacuum and your hand sucked in and pushed out. It's like a current in and out from the belly, lower belly. Okay, so here it is. I really feel my hand pushed out and sucked in. So now I need to cut this cord. So how to do it? You can do it just doing chopping 3 times. Chop, chop, chop. And then clean it with anti-clockwise movements. So whatever left over after cutting, you just clean, like scooping ice cream, scoop, 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 and throw into the fire, scoop, 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 and throw into the fire until you feel pure energy coming from the belly. You should not leave any leftovers from the cord because it's like toxins. So you can do some tasting. Sometimes the cord is still there, so you can do more cutting and do cleansing again with anti-clockwise and throw into the fire. Another way to remove cord is to do just pulling, as if you're pulling weeds from the garden. Just pull and throw into the fire. Pull and throw into the fire. Pull and throw into the fire. You have to burn this energy and throw into the fire and keep cleansing after the cord is cut or pulled until you feel pure vibrations coming from the person's belly. So I feel the energy is much lighter, purer, coming from his belly. So to finish the work, you need to seal the hole. When you cut the cord, the energy may be pouring out from the person's belly. So you to seal it, you can do it just energetically, just to do seal, 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 protect, 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 seal, 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 protect, protect, protect. And just to make sure with your hand, just make sure that only pure energy coming from the person's belly. So this is how it's done. Usually you remove 1 cord per person. So if this client has more cords, sometimes people have many attachments. It's like, looks like spaghetti running from the belly to different people. You do 1 cord at a time to be more effective. So if I find another cord, I would do another session with the client. After removing the cord and cleansing, you can do strengthening of the area, putting energy into the belly. And this I will explain in the next video, how to strengthen the person's body after cleansing.